y'all, how are you? I am good. Thank you for asking. Welcome to my very first crochet video. I know I might have done a couple clips of me crocheting, but it's never been anything official, but now we're making it official. And I am not the best crochet teacher. I'm not the best teacher at anything really, so I don't know if these will really be instructionals, but we'll see. If you can pick it up, that's great. If you just want to watch for the fun of it, that's cool too. Today though, recently I've been working on garlands, and I'm doing a whole bunch of little hearts for Valentine's garlands and shamrocks, like 4-leaf clovers, for St. Patrick's Day garlands. And I'm having a lot of fun. They're a great way to burn through stash. So like a stash buster. And what that is you have yarn left over, but you don't have enough to make a big project, but you have too much to just throw out. So things like this, if the little, manner, are great to use up that extra yarn without being wasteful. So this is what I'm doing. Let me find my camera, sorry. It is just a little heart. It's about 1 inch tall by maybe 1.5 inches long. It's just a little crochet heart in red. I've done pink, purple, I did some orange ones, I did some white ones, I did some dark red ones, I did some bright pink ones. I'm just going through and literally going through my stash and finding what I only have little balls of and making things out of them for garlands and stuff like that that could be used somewhere else. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna turn you down and try and do this as productively and neatly as possible. I apologize if we get interrupted. My kids are being not very video friendly today, so I'm trying this, but I'm expecting failure. So we're gonna make a magic circle. Ouch, did you hit your face? Which is you wrap the yarn around your finger, crisscross it in the front, and then you take your hook, go under the first crisscross and pull the second crisscross through well, now it's not going to do it for me, like this. And you're going to pull that one up, and you're automatically going to chain. See, we have that through our thing now. We're going to automatically chain so that it sticks like that. So now we have one chain. We're going to chain another, so it becomes a chain 2. Then we're going to triple crochet, which is wrapping our yarn around our hook twice. So 1, 2. We're going to go into our hoop circle, pull up our loop, and then we're going to go through 2 loops at a time. So 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and that's a triple crochet because it's got 1, 2, 3 on there. We're gonna do that 2 more times. So triple crochet, and then 1 more triple crochet. My yarn's getting tight. Then we're going to do 3, let me pull this out a little bit. We're going to do 3 double crochets all into the center. So that's just 1 yarn over. A double crochet is just 1 yarn over into the center, pull up a loop, and you do 2 loops at a time. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to do a triple, which is yarn over twice. Like that. And then we're going to chain again. And we're going to do a double. So yeah, it feels kind of awkward doing a chain double, triple, double, but it's fine. We're going to do 2 more doubles. So essentially you have 3 triples, 3 doubles, 1 triple, 3 doubles, 3 triples. So there's our 3 triples. Sorry, I keep getting closer and farther away at the same time. Then we're going to do our 3 triples. 1, 2, and 3. And this is a Pinterest I found. This is a pattern I found on Pinterest. It's just a generic. I don't think I can credit anyone because like 10 people had it. So, and then we chained 2. I'm sorry, I didn't say that. We chained 2 after our third. Hold on. Fella, come. Sorry, the dog needed in. We chained 2, and we're going to finish off by slip stitching into our middle. So you bring your hook in, yarn over, pull through, and then without doing anything, you're going to pull through that chain and pull tight. And we're going to slip stitch one more time. So 1, 2, and then you have this tail off of your magic circle. We're going to pull that and see how that tightens up. You just pull it nice and tight, and it tightens up that hole that we had. And then you'll cut your yarn, and of course I did not bring my scissors. I did not bring my scissors onto the table. See, this is why I'm not a good teacher. I'm not prepared at all, ever. But then again, if you're not new to my channel, when is Jessica ever prepared? So we're going to cut just a little. You don't have to do much because we don't want to be wasteful. And you're just going to pull that through. Bing! And then you're going to pull it tight like that. And then what I do to really secure them, because this will work itself loose, is I actually tie a knot or a square knot or whatever you prefer right together. There's 1 and 2, and then I have a fabric glue that I bought at Walmart for a couple dollars, and I cut these tails off right as close as possible like that, and then I just put a spot of glue right there and let it dry, and it will hold. And these are what I use for my garlands, or you can put them on barrettes or all kinds of things, but these are a nice little stash buster. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please give this hi. What are you doing? Is it because I clapped? I clapped, and that's the automatic puppy invite. This is Bella, for those of you who haven't met her. Okay, I need you off. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing if you want to see more. I really do enjoy crocheting. It's my third love after my husband and my children, and I want to continue doing little videos like this. I'm really making it a goal. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.